Hello, I'm Kira for Shakti Power Yoga. Today we are going to do a super quick workout to really work the arms. So go ahead and run, walk, foam roll, do anything you need to warm up because we're going to get straight into an intense flow. Come to the top of the mat. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, jump back chaturanga or step back to plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay for the inhale. Bottom of the exhale, jump up, half forward fold. Forward fold. Rise up, upward salute, slight back bend here. And hands to heart. Inhale, arms up, upward salute. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway rise. Exhale, get to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay here. Slowly round the back as you roll forward into your plank. Hold here. In your plank, we want a rounded upper back. Hips are up by activating the quads straight through the legs. Reach back through the heels. Wrist, elbow, and shoulder all stacked. Fingers spread wide and pressing into all corners of the hands. Great job. Now let's intensify this. Bring your right knee over to the right elbow. Inhale, come back. Exhale, left knee over to the left elbow. Inhale, come back. Exhale, right knee in. Try to bring it up towards the armpit if you can. Inhale, back. Exhale, left knee up. Inhale, back. Drop into your child's pose if you're tired right now. Otherwise, do 5 more each side, flowing as fast as you can. Exhale, right knee in, inhale back. Exhale, left knee in, inhale back. Keep going on your own. And end in plank. And we'll all meet in down dog. We started to work our triceps there. Next, we're going to work our chest and again our triceps. So if you're tired, go ahead and take child's pose at any time and come back into it when you're ready. Definitely take a knee variation with these push-ups if that's what's available to you. Come forward into plank. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, push up. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, push up. This is so hard, so you're really strong here. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, push up. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, push up. Halfway there. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, push up. 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 Great job. Open up into your side plank here, either side. That was really hard, and your blood is probably pumping right now with that cardio. So here we're going to relax. Again, make sure the wrist, elbow, and shoulder are all in alignment. Raise that hip up, stretching towards the ceiling with the hip and the top arm. Rotate the head and look towards the ceiling if that's comfortable for you. And come back through center. We're going to do one more round of chaturanga push-ups. If you're tired, go ahead and rest in child's pose before we take side plank on the second side. If you're rearing to go, let's do one more round. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, up. 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 Keep the chest open. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, up. Keep the legs straight. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, up. Last one. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, up. And open up side plank, second side. You're so strong that I'm sure you can make this side plank effortless and really arrest and restore from the push-ups. Everyone else, join us here in side plank. 2 more breaths. And roll back to plank. Lift the hips up, downward facing dog. Hop or step to the front of the mat. We'll take Garudasana to stretch out the arms. So right leg comes over left and sink low in the hips. And then right arm goes under left arm, wrap the right hand around the wrist, and then stretch through the upper back. Play with lifting and lowering the arms a little bit to get a stretch all through the sides of the arms. And release that. Take your second side real quick. Left leg on top, left arm below. Again, slide the hands up and down, stretching through all parts of the arms. Unwind, forward fold, and then step back into child's pose. Rest here, restore here. Great job today. We really fired up the arms super quick. The arms are a great thing to work in yoga because your body weight is such an extreme force on your arms. So you can do low reps of things and get a really good workout in. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm going to leave you in child's pose. Flip on over into Shavasana if you have a little bit more time. That's really going to help integrate your practice. And you can find other quick videos of the same style in this playlist. Namaste.